Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about pointers. Okay. Now here, I have declared a variable and I have assigned a value to it. Correct? So in C++, when we declare a variable, a memory address is assigned to the variable. When I explained the concept of variable, I told you that it is just a space on the RAM where we can store some value, correct? So when a variable is created, a memory address is assigned to the variable, and when we assign a value to the variable like this, the value is stored in that particular memory address. Okay. Now, if we want to see at what address this value is stored, then we can do it using AND symbol. Okay. So first let me show it to you. I'll say cout and I'll say age. Okay. So now when I run this, you can see that I get 35. 35 is stored in this variable and that is what is printed out. Now I want to see where it is stored in memory. Okay, I want to know the address where this value is stored, and to get the address we use AND symbol. Okay, AND age. So when I run this, I get a hexadecimal value. So this is the address where this value is stored. Okay, so this is the memory address. Now if you type the very same program and if you execute it on your PC, this value will change because it is getting executed on your PC and the memory address will be different. Of course, we are using an online compiler and the values will keep on changing as you hit run. Okay, but know that this value changes from PC to PC. All right. Yes. Now we need to learn about pointer. What is a pointer? Pointer is a variable that stores the memory address as its value. You see, this is the memory address. If you want to store this in a variable, then that variable is called as a pointer. So here, if you see, 35 is stored in this variable. This value is stored in this variable. This is a normal variable. But if you want to store this as the value in a variable, then that particular variable will be called as a pointer. Okay. Now pointers are important because they give you the ability to manipulate the data in the computer's memory. Now this will help reducing the code and improve the performance. Now I will not be able to explain how it is done because it is a very large topic. Once you get into a company where you work on or work in C++, you will be using pointers. Okay. For now, let us learn about pointers in ground level. Okay, basic level. So pointer is a variable that stores this memory address. Okay. Now let us create a pointer. So this is int age equal to 35. This is a normal variable which is storing normal value. Alright. Pointer variable is created using star symbol. Okay, star symbol. So I'll say int and I'll say star. Okay, int star, and I will say ptr, int star equal to ptr. Alright. So what is ptr? It is just a name for the pointer. You can give this anything, but I have given ptr. Just like we have name for age, we have ptr for this pointer variable. Now I am trying to create a pointer variable for this variable. This belongs to integer data type, and so this should also belong to integer data type. Okay, so integer and star. So this star means that we are creating a pointer variable now. Alright, and inside this pointer variable we will be storing this value, memory address. Now how to access, or how did I get this? I got this by typing this, correct, and age. So this will get me this value. We know this, correct? So that is what we will use here. Okay, that is what we will use here. We will not copy this and paste it here. We will just say and age. So and age will get you the memory address, and that is what is stored in this pointer variable. Alright, I hope it is clear. Now let me use few couts. So here I will say cout age. Okay, and let me use endl. In the next line I'll say cout and age, and I'll use endl. And in the next line I'll say cout and ptr. Okay, and I'll say endl. Alright, now let me run this, and you can see I get 35 as a result of this line. I'm printing out age variable. You know about this, correct? You know that if we type and age, we will get the memory address where this value is stored. So the result of this line is this second line, middle line. And here I have created a pointer variable, and I have stored the memory address in that pointer variable, correct? So when I print it out, I will be getting the same thing. So this and this will get you the same result. Alright, and age and ptr. So basically ptr has and age in it, correct? Yes. So I created a pointer variable with the name ptr that points to an integer variable by using star symbol. Okay, by using star symbol I created a pointer variable that points to integer variable. It is pointing to this. Alright, now you can declare pointer variables in 3 ways, but this is the preferred one. Okay, what you can do is you can have space here, int space star space ptr. You can do this, or int space and star ptr. You can also do this. Alright, but this gives a different meaning which we will see in a few minutes. So the preferred one is this, okay, int star and then space and name of the pointer. Alright, yes. Now in this example we used pointer variable to get the memory address of the variable, correct? However, we can also use the pointer to get the value of the variable. Alright, by using this we got this as the result, but what I am saying is by using pointer variable we can get the value that is stored in that variable too, and this is by using star operator. So let me show you. So I'll say cout, and here I'll say star ptr. Okay, star ptr. So let me run this, and you can see I get 35, two memory addresses 35. So the result of this and the result of this are 35. The result of this are the memory addresses. Okay, memory addresses. So if we want to access the value that is stored in the variable, then we will use star symbol. If we want to print out the memory address, then we will use it without star symbol, star operator. Alright, I hope it is clear. Now this is called as dereference operator. Okay, dereference operator. Now, I told you that you can create a pointer variable in three ways. So see here, this is one way, this is the preferred way, and one more is like this. One more is like this. See here, this is same, this is also same, correct? Now when used in declaration, star ptr creates a pointer variable like this. Okay, if you use like this in declaration, then it creates a pointer variable. If you do not use it in declaration, then it becomes dereference operator. Okay, the star becomes dereference operator. Alright, so that is why, to avoid confusion, this is how we create or how we declare a pointer variable. Alright, I hope it is clear. Now, we can also change the pointer's value, but you must remember that this will also change the value of the original variable. Alright, so now here let me say star ptr is equal to 46. Okay, star ptr equal to 46, meaning I am saying I want to change this to 46. What does star ptr get you? Star ptr gets you the value of the variable, correct, 35. So I want to change that value to 46. That is what I am saying here. Okay, and now I will say cout, and here I will say star ptr. Okay, star ptr, and I will end it, and you can see I get 46 as the result. Okay, 46 as the result. So let me add an end line here. Alright, star ptr gets me 46 as a result. Now if I check what is the value that is stored in age, let me say cout, okay, age, you can see that I get 46 as a result. So the value that is stored in age and the value that is stored in this are same. Alright, yes, I hope the concept is clear. Go ahead and try it with different data type, different values, different names, and do execute everything that we have learnt in this video. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.